How to set a profile picture or avatar logo for your account in Discord. So from within the Discord app, go ahead and locate the little user settings gear icon / logo in the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, it'll open up the settings window. You'll notice that we are already selected on the My Account in the user settings. So go ahead and click on the edit option under My Account. And then from here, it'll open up your settings to edit your account. So you can change your username, email, current password. But the one thing we're looking for is to change our avatar or profile picture. So go ahead and click on that. And then if you already have your profile picture that you know that you're going to be using, go ahead and select on that, or else you might have to navigate through your file explorer, or if you're using Mac OS, your Finder. So I know I want to use my howtoal logo, the same one I have on my YouTube channel. We'll go ahead and click open. Okay. And then from here, there's a little slider bar which goes back and forth which allows us to either zoom in on the picture more or zoom out so we can try to fit more of it in the frame. So I think if I leave mine all the way zoomed out so I can fit as most of the picture as I can within the frame as possible. Then go ahead and click on apply. And we'll now see that my profile picture or avatar logo is now my howtoal profile picture. So then I'll just go ahead and click on save. And I will save it to my account. And now you can see this is my profile picture. So that was how to set your profile picture or avatar logo within Discord.